Everything that I was looking for and more is available at one location. Hi, my name is Olivia Perkins, and my amazing sisters, Cindy Christie and Kat Divine, told me about this incredible location and this natural health that your community does, and I was telling myself I have to make a way down here, so I came over. Definitely my spine. My sisters and I had scoliosis since we were little, and I want to avoid surgery, and I heard that Dr. Bergman was the best chiropractor, and I really needed to come see him for treatment. My wellness goals, well, after doing the thermography test of my body, is to definitely get rid of any toxins, and I was very surprised that a lot of it was coming from my dental, jawbone area, which is where I got my wisdom teeth pulled out. And by seeing the results on the thermography, I knew I needed to stay an extra day today. I was supposed to fly out, but I saw my results and I really knew how important it was to stay so I can get my cavitations out and heal my body and make sure it doesn't have any more toxins. So far, I removed the 4 amalgams in my teeth, and then the dentist, Munoz, did an amazing job of all my chipped teeth. He smoothed them out and filled them all in so I could smile with confidence. And then I also did, with Dr. Teresa, I did the vampire facial. So it's where they take my own blood and does an amazing facial with it. And I also received some treatments with the IV that included anti-aging, vitamin C, vitamin B, liver cleanse, and then this morning I had my first chiropractor adjustment. So I did a whole series of tests and did a review this morning and had my first treatment, which I loved. I love everyone here too, by the way. The benefits, so definitely, even some of my before and after pictures of just my skin and my lips and my teeth. The first day I got here on Wednesday morning, I was very dehydrated, just looked like I needed to be hydrated with good nutrients and vitamins and healthy food. And then seeing the results before my dental work and during my dental work, I was able to get hydrated and get the proper nutrients. And then afterwards, seeing the difference like instantly was just eye-opening. I'm just amazed. You come to one location and I was able to stay overnight in this gorgeous grand hotel, and I felt like I was on a little mini vacation and felt very confident knowing I could come right downstairs and whichever appointments available. Everyone was so easy to work with and they could communicate with each department and get me treated, and it was so fluid. It was very relaxing to come and get treatment, so I love it. So easy. It was much easier than I even anticipated. So flew right into San Diego, and then we were picked up by Alex and his mom, and I love them both so much. And they literally just, we were talking and it took maybe 20-30 minutes, got through the border super easy, drove right up to this beautiful entrance for the Grand Hotel. And I was asking my sister, I'm like, are we here already? And she's like, this is it. I was so excited. So this is my first time in Tijuana and I feel so safe and I love it here. So it's beautiful. I love everyone I've met, and everyone communicates so wonderfully and very warm, and everyone has really good English, and I'm learning some Spanish, so it's very fun. And the staff is incredible. I feel very welcomed here and very loved. So everything that I was looking for and more is available at one location. I highly recommend coming here. I thought I had a good quality of life and I had a very stressful job, and I didn't realize how much it's affecting the inside of my body. I did the live blood reading where they just do one little finger prick. You don't even feel it. Dr. George was great. He walked me through it and showed me what my blood looked like and showed me what stress can actually do to our blood cells. And I had that moment of, I have to make changes in my life and put my health as a priority instead of overworking myself, because it's affecting the inside of my body and I can finally see it. And the good news is there's solutions here that I can overcome this and make changes in my life. So I'm very excited.